We will guide you through how to make character AI say your name. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗 app on your device. Tap the app icon and let the application load before continuing. Once the app is ready, log in or sign into your account. After the application has loaded completely, scroll through the character list until you find the character that you want to talk with. When you find the character, tap it to open the chat. Wait a few seconds for the conversation to load before continuing. To make the character say your name, start by introducing yourself in the chat. Type your name into the chat box and send the message to the character. After sending your introduction, wait for the character to load its response. The character will generate a reply based on your message. Read the response for a moment before continuing with the next step. After the character responds, tell the character to say your name directly inside the chat. Type a message asking the character to say your name into the chat bar. Make sure your message clearly tells the character what you want it to say. Once you've finished typing your message, press enter to send it. Wait a few seconds while the AI processes your message and generates a response. When the character finishes responding, check the message to see whether it says your name. If the character does not say your name correctly, you can send another message asking it to repeat your name. You can also type your name again if the character needs more information. Continue the conversation until the character says your name in the way you want. The response may be different depending on the character and the conversation. Once the character says your name successfully, you can continue chatting normally. That is how you can make a character in 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗𝗗 say your name.